before stepping for it. Oh! Here we go!
Yan ang puwersa ng taglay ni Mark Magnifico. Tayo, bagsak na naman!
Mark Magnifico Magsayo! Raymond Savage Paul!
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Isa na namang malaking laban ang aabangan ng mga Pinoy boxing fans dahil ang former WBC featherweight world champion na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo ay muling magbabalik sa aksyon. Isang mandirigmang matagal nang napatunayan ang kanyang tapang laban sa mga world-class na kalaban. Ngunit nagbago ang direksyon ng kanyang landas nang makansela ang laban niya kontra sa Italian boxer na si Michael Magnesi. Dahil dito nagbago ang ranking, si Magsayo na number 1, bumaba sa number 3, si Magnesi naging number 1, at ang Amerikanong si Raymond Ford ang naging number 2. At ngayon, direkta ng hinahamon ni Ford si Magsayo upang patunayan kung sino ang tunay na karapat-dapat lumaban para sa World Championship. Hindi ito simpleng laban. Si Ford ay isang dating world champion na kilala sa technical na galaw, disiplina sa ring, at tibay laban sa matitinding kalaban. Sa papel, halos pantay ang laban. Pero sa lakas ng suntok, ramdam ang power advantage ng Pinoy. Isang tama lang kayang baguhin ang takbo ng laban. Isang sandali lang pwedeng matapos ang lahat. At para patunayan ang bangis ni Magnifico, balikan natin ang kanyang huling laban sa Thunder Studios sa California kontra sa mas malaking si Brian Mercado. Sa unang round pa lang, agad nang naramdaman ni Mercado ang bigat ng suntok ni Magsayo.
Fought a 6-rounder since 2014, brother. But he said, hey, I want to stay busy.
And you know what? When you're with Marv Nation, you're going to stay busy. And you're going to be evenly matched up. It's not going to be a cakewalk or someone takes you out to dinner. You're going to have to earn every round, earn every single man with 18 professional fights.
We saw that right at the beginning, right there, Mercado hit him with that left hand. So Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
You know, I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, you know, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity.
Counterpuncher could sit down on something and wait for him to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. I mean,
Dressing room. I talked to him. I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach. I can't lunge in. And he's starting to do that. He's got to set up his punches with that
Can't
jab.
extend. I agree with you. Don't get caught extending. You know, you never know what this man has. You know, counterpuncher could sit down on something and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. I mean, Monksy, I mean, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You're looking at the stars.
He almost got him there with that left. And Brian Mercado, he's ready. I mean, let's remember and let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Kermel Moulton. But Moulton
if you coming over, I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and you're waiting.
I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November 30th, and Brian is ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. Like
man.
you know, that's part of their game plan.
An experienced fighter, speed, power, he's got it. And then he just hands go.
And over.
Yeah, I don't know.
Styles turning the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's anticipating. He knows what's in front of him.
Advantage, but Brian said no. That's their way. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight, and against Magsayo, like you mentioned, an experienced fighter, speed, power, he's got it. He's letting his hands go. Beautiful body shot right there.
McStyles cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go.
Isang solidong atake sa katawan. Bumagsak ang kalaban. Tumayo, pero bistadong ininda nito ang bigat ng kamao ni Magnifico.
Walks him down, beats a shot to the...
They're a better move to catch some air, to gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. But Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
There he goes again. And I'm looking at the corner of McStyles.
Isang malinis na kaliwa pa ang muling nagpabagsak sa kanya bago matapos ang round.
And I'm looking at the corner of Exile, and they seem to be arraigned, upset about something. I'm looking at
Pagdating ng sumunod na yugto, dito na tuluyang tinapos ni Magsayo ang laban. Sunod-sunod na suntok sa katawan, muling bumagsak si Mercado.
I think he's ready to call it. Give this count, give this 10 count. Let him see what he has.
referee's going to stop this.
Yeah, I'm surprised, I'm surprised Mercado got up. I thought he was just going to stay there.
Knockout victory para kay Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Muling hinangaan ng mga fans sa Amerika ang bangis ng Pinoy finisher. At ngayon isang mas malaking tanong ang nakabitin sa kanyang pagbabalik. Magiging world champion pa kaya ulit si Magnifico? Ibabahagi ang inyong sagot sa comment section. At isama kung saan kayo nanonood para makita natin kung gaano kalawak ang suporta ng sambayanang Pilipino para kay Mark Magsayo sa laban niya kontra Raymond Ford.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.